Let's see what happens when they wants to start playing. Well, we have all our vowels here. Let's read them together. A, E, O, U, E. They want to start playing with the. We know one thing. The doesn't have any capital or lowercase. So we want to see how these play with these things. This one is the first one with the hat. It comes always at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. Comes right here. Then I have the. So first I read this one, then this one. A, de. A, de. Together. Odd. Odd. What if this one wanted to play? Of course, this one likes to attach to things, but de doesn't want to attach to anything, just from one side. De comes only attached to this part. So this one attached to some other consonants or vowels, not to a, because this one doesn't comes at the beginning, always and always at the middle or at the end. So nothing attached here. First de, then a, de, a, de, a. So da, da. What about this one? A wants to play. This one comes always at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. So de, which only attached from this side, can't attach to this because this one doesn't want anything to be attached to it. So they come separately. A, de. A, de. Together, add. But what if this one wanted to play? Of course, this one can jump right up. So it's de, and then we have a. I first read de and then a, because this one comes always in the middle, never at the beginning. So de, a. Together, da, da. If a wanted to play, this one doesn't want to attach to anything and always comes at the beginning. So just like these two, first I write this one, then de. First I read this one, then de. So e, de. E, de. Together, ed. Ed. Why does this one doesn't attach to this? Because de only attached from this side, but this one never attaches. So that's how it works. It's the pattern. But what about here? Of course, this one comes right down there. First, I read this one, then this one. So it's de, e. De, e. Together, de. De. Then we have O. It works just like these three. So first, this one which doesn't want to attach comes here. Then we have de. So first I read this one and this one. O, de. O, de. Together. Od. Od. But this one jumps right up there. De, o. De, o. Together. Do. Do. This one. What about this one? This one comes right at the beginning and doesn't attach. So this one doesn't attach either. U, de. U, de. Together. Ud. Ud. This one sometimes attaches, sometimes doesn't. Comes in the middle and at the end. The times that this one attaches depends on that consonant that it comes with. So right now this comes after the, because it's the way it is. We know this one doesn't come at the beginning. So when it comes here, because the just attached from this side and not this side, of course they don't attach. So first I read this and then that. De, u. De, u. Together, do, do. Tricky, e. First one comes always at the beginning and it attaches. This one comes in the middle and attaches from both sides because it's in the middle. And this one comes always at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. It depends on that consonant. So what happens when these want to start with the? This one comes first. See? This time they attach because the just attach always from this part, and here we know this one wants to attach, so this just attach to this one. How we read it? E, de. E, de. Together. Eid. Eid. And that one, this one sometimes attaches, sometimes doesn't. It depends on that consonant. So we know de doesn't want to attach from that side. So ye doesn't attach as well. E, de. De, e. Together. D, D. That's easy as that. Let's see what we have for practice. Well, for next session, write one whole page odd, one da, add, da, ed, de, od, do, ud, do, id, di. One page for each one of them, and as you write it down, read it. See, as long as you know the pattern, everything is easy. When you did your practice, comment for me and let me know that if you did it. If you had any questions, just write it in the comments. I will surely answer. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss next sessions. See you guys. Bye.